But it is strange to me that here in the United States of America, we so often start history with secondly, all the stuff that came second, instead of all the stuff that was here before. I was joking with when they put me on the board for the Minnesota Historical Society that, you know, if we allocate resources and programming according to the 11,000 years of human history before the first lumberjacks and French fur traders, in addition to everything that came after, we're going to get along great. And they're kind of looking at me like, oh boy, this is going to be a fight all along. But I was only partially playing with them. There's Tom Stillday from Panema on the Red Lake Reservation. How many of you have been at Panema before? All right, so there's some of you. You know, about 1,000 people in the village. It's on the Red Lake Reservation, and Red Lake has a really interesting story. I'll share just a little bit about some of it to give you a sense for how different it can be. Among other things, for Tom, they bury their dead in the front yard, and they put spirit houses where everyone's buried. So when you step out the door to your house, well, there's mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, generation upon generation, older than America. It feels different. Yep. And the connection to place is really important. I think all human beings end up rooting in and thinking about what's important to them in terms of place. But in the Native experience, it just plays out differently. I think for many of us, it's kind of like a wedding ring of sorts. A wedding ring can be a tether and a liberation all at the same time. And I think the connection Native people feel to place works that way too. Although we, like everyone else, have been busy moving around. Hennepin County in the Twin Cities Metro is one of the highest Native populations in the state. The Native experience is not just a reservation experience, it is a reservation experience, an urban experience, a suburban experience, a rural greater Minnesota experience, and lots of other things too. So that connection to place is real and important, and it does affect the way communities function and the way that people think and feel. Also, you know, probably worthy of note for all of the work that you do, being Native American is both a racial category and a political category. And that also is different than it is for a lot of other minoritized populations in the state. So being an enrolled member of a federally recognized tribe is a political status. There are tribes that predated the United States, have existed through all of U.S. history, still exist to this day. And that affects things like, who do you call when you've got an issue or even to present an application for affordable housing? Because the tribal political entities house social service programs, housing programs, lots of other things. So the political status matters, and who is a citizen of a Native nation matters for eligibility for some of those programs. By the way, some programs are only eligible for, have eligibility for enrolled members of tribes, and others extend those benefits to the children and grandchildren of tribal members, and others have self-identification as a Native person as the criteria for participation. So part of the landscape is like becoming familiar with all of the things that are out there. But it is also true that it is a racial category. We don't have a choice over how we get othered by others. And so showing up brown makes a difference, right? I know my son, one of my sons who's working on a union construction crew, and he's, you know, super brown Native guy. He just has to bring a passport to work, right? Because of the immigration enforcement climate we've been navigating here in Minnesota. And his boss is not trying to be mean to him. He just wants as few work disruptions as possible. But that's just part of what folks deal with. So it's both a political and a racial category, and depending on the context of what part of the work we're working on, we have to have awareness of both and how they function.